welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Jasmine and I just do like videos every now and again. For today's video, I decided that I'm gonna do like self-care, like full-blown self-care video, like how to like spruce up your whatever that you're feeling inside and make yourself feel cute during this quarantine that we've got going on. The reason I decided to do this video is because like right now for me, my depression is definitely like heightened a little bit more because I'm stuck at home. And it's not like I'm not literally stuck, like I can leave. It's just more so like just the fear of, because I can go to Target, Walmart, and whatever. It's just the fear of like, if I touch this, am I gonna, like, is this the product that's gonna, or is this the item that's gonna like make me get something, you know what I'm saying? And like, am I gonna bring that home and like get my son sick, get my mom sick, get my sister sick, just like get my family sick? Like, is like if I touch, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to live like that. And yeah, so I'm just like blah inside. And I already did my nails. I did a little mini tutorial on Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely do that, just because sometimes I don't post videos here on YouTube. I post them on my IG, and that will be down below. But yeah, so for this video I'm going to use my Revlon blow dryer. I've already used it already, and I really do like it, and it's very loud, so I'm not gonna do like a talk through or anything like that. Like, I'm just gonna play music, you're gonna watch me do it, and then you guys are gonna hear music, but I'm gonna be watching YouTube because that's just what I like to do. And then yeah, I think I'm gonna do, so like I already did my nails, like I said. I think I'm gonna do my hair and then maybe do like a face mask or something like that. Like, I don't know, because I'm breaking out like hard body. But I just feel like this is the perfect time to like just like make me feel cute. Like, you know, like do whatever. I feel like right now you guys need to do whatever makes you feel cute. Do it, because, and even if you're doing it for yourself, like, I mean, like, you know, like you're not gonna see nobody, you're not gonna, whatever. If that means getting dressed up just to go into your living room, do that. Like, that means be in your face just to stay in your room, do it. Like, I'm just blah. So this video is like literally me in my zone. But this is definitely a different video than what I normally would do. It's definitely out of my comfort zone. But yeah, so let's get started. Let me just find a video. Who do you guys watch on YouTube? Definitely leave that below, because I've pretty much watched. Why does this say I'm not signed in, but I'm signed in? What is happening?
Mike! Are you mad, Mams? That's what I get for being cheap. That's what I get for not buying Lululemon leggings. That is unacceptable. I got those in a size 8. I'm a size 6. I have never felt more like a chicken in my life. We're just gonna move on from those because I actually have some cute stuff, but y'all, they played me with that. Do not buy their leggings. I don't care. No. I don't even think I made an intro to this video. I just went straight into disappointment. Hey,
Dynamite, drop. Dynamite, drop.
So yeah, this is the final look, and I'm telling you, I love this blow dryer. Like, hands down, the best thing ever created. If you guys do not have that blow dryer, definitely go pick it up. It is the, I thought I still had the box. It's the Revlon, like something. It's the something Revlon. I'm gonna leave the actual name and the link to buy it down below. Like, you can get it at like Amazon, Target, Ulta, any of those stores. But I picked up mine at Target. But yeah, so it definitely cut, like it's a brush, like it's a blow drying brush. And as you can see, like the only thing is that I don't like is that to turn it on and off, you have to like twist it at the bottom. I'll show you. Oh, you have to twist it here at the bottom, and it has 3 settings. It's cool, low, and high. I put it on high. As you can see, most of the video I was burning myself, but I don't like putting it on cool because I feel like I don't like putting it on low because I feel like it just takes too long, to be honest. And if you don't know me by now, then you'll learn that I am very impatient. I look cute. Like, I just feel better. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.